What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to cancel an iOS update while it's still downloading on your iPhone. If you've accidentally started downloading an iOS update or just changed your mind midway through, there's a simple way to stop it before it installs. First, you need to pause the download by disconnecting your iPhone from the internet. The quickest way to do this is by enabling airplane mode or switching off Wi-Fi and mobile data. Swipe down from the top right to open the control center and tap the airplane icon in the top left to toggle off the Wi-Fi and mobile data options. This cuts off both Wi-Fi and cellular data, preventing the update from continuing to download. Next, head to your settings and then tap on General. Then go to iPhone Storage. Wait for a few seconds for the list of apps to load. Scroll through the list until you find the iOS update file. Tap on it. You'll now see an option to delete the update. Tap on that, then confirm the deletion when prompted. This will remove the downloaded update file from your device, effectively cancelling the update process. After doing this, go back to your settings, tap on General, and then Software Update. You will notice the update is no longer being downloaded or prepared to install. You can always download and install it again later if you change your mind. One important tip: if you're trying to avoid future updates, make sure you disable automatic updates. To do this, in your software update settings, head to Automatic Updates and turn off Download iOS Updates and Install iOS Updates. Otherwise, your iPhone may re-download the update overnight while charging and connected to Wi-Fi. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.